This is Ebony Butterfly, also known as Felicia. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. If you are an existing butterfly, welcome back. I'm glad to have you, glad you came back. This video, of course, is my build a grade to upgrade, and today I want to talk about doors. So excited, I got a brand new door I had to share with you guys. These videos that I'm making and the series that I'm making are basically talking about things you can do to update your home and things that I'm personally doing to upgrade my home from a boring, bland, build a grade look. I know we all want that grand look, but you know, some of us have to do it a little bit at a time, such as myself. So my front door, as you will see, is a plain vanilla steel door. Now, steel doors are good doors. If I could have just painted that door and been okay. You could have painted it black and it would have been okay. But I wanted my door to have a little bit more pizzazz than just a plain old steel door. So we opt for a wood door that we found on the Facebook Marketplace. I searched and searched and they were able to customize the door to fit my size door. They came out, they measured, I looked at samples, I looked at, you know, the things in order to pick out exactly what I wanted. And once I picked those things out, I did not know it was going to come together so beautifully. I really enjoyed my door. I think when people come over, that's one of the first things they notice and comment on is the door, because it is just so welcoming. So if you're thinking about changing your door, I was trying to tell my husband, bless his heart, that he could do this project. I was like, you can do it, you can do it, you're so handy, you can do it. But he opted not to. So they did have people come out and install. They installed the door. I think it was like 3 people that came out and installed, and it took them about 3 hours. So imagine how long it would have took my husband to do it on his own, okay? Forever. So he was right in this instance. It's not a project for the novice, but if you've done it before, I'm sure it's a piece of cake. Side eye. Anyway, I'm going to show you this video. I'm going to show you a couple pictures of some doors that I love and enjoy and that I was inspired by. So I hope that you are inspired to get up and do something with those doors, whether it be paint, whether it be whatever it is that you decide to do, stencil. I've seen like a lot of different things that people have done to their doors, and I just truly think it makes such a huge difference in the first appearance, first impression of your home. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I hope you enjoy this video, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And also leave in the comments what color is your door, and do you have your dream door? And I don't even mind seeing pictures there also. Let me see some of those pictures. So sit back, relax, get your coffee, and watch this video.